everyone, Amanda Jane here and welcome to this crochet stitch tutorial. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet the tulip stitch, and it's an easy stitch for beginners, suitable for a scarf or a shawl or maybe even a blanket. I've done it in this lovely Aran weight yarn using a size 5mm crochet hook, and I'm going to demonstrate the tulip stitch with this similar weight yarn, Aran weight from Stylecraft, and again my trusty 5mm crochet hook. Now to start off, we're going to do a slip knot in the usual way. If you're a beginner, go to my beginners playlist, which I'll link to in the show notes below. And we're going to chain a multiple of 4 stitches. So off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now there is a setup row and then we'll do the repeat row. So you want to find the 3rd chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3. So not this one here, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do 3 double crochet in US terms or treble crochet in UK terms into that stitch. So here we go. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to repeat that stitch 2 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to do 2 chain, 1, 2, and in the next chain we're going to do a single crochet. This is a double crochet in UK terms. So insert your hook. I'm going to use US terms from now on. Okay, so that is our first little repeat. We're going to skip 2 chain, 1, 2, and repeat 3 doubles and 2 chain and a single in the next one, as you'll see. So 3 double crochet, 2 and 3. So if you're a beginner and you need to do this slowly, you can slow down the video by going to the 3 dots and choosing playback speed. Just finding some more yarn here. My balls got all caught up. There we go. 2 chain, single crochet in the next foundation chain, skip 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochet in the next chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 chain, 1, 2, a single crochet in the next chain, 3, skip 2 rather, 1 chain, 1, 2 and 3. You should have 1 chain left, single, 2 chains, sorry, 1, 2, and then in the last stitch we do a double crochet, 2 chain, and we're ready to turn our work. Let's have a look at it. Now this first row looks a little wonky because we're creating these shells here, and it will work its way out. Don't worry about this. Don't chain this foundation chain too tightly because otherwise it'll all scrunch up. We're going to turn our work to the left and continue by finding all our chain spaces. So you can see as I hold this up, I'll hold it over the blue actually, and then you can see that I have a chain space here, here, here and here. Now this one's bigger, so I'm going to have more chain spaces. And the next row is the repeat row. So we've done 2 turning chain, and in this chain space we're going to do our 3, 2, 1 repeat. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 2 chain, 1, 2, and our single crochet in that chain space. So everything goes on in chain spaces. Move straight across to the next chain space and do the same repeat. 3, 2, 1. 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. 2 chain, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet. Move across. Next, 2 chain space, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet. So a very relaxing repeat. You can feel where the chain spaces are with your left hand, and so you won't hopefully go into the wrong hole. When you get to the end of the row, 2 chain, and you're ready to turn your work. So this is how it looks after 2 rows. So it's starting to sort itself out a little bit. Let's do another row just to cement that learning. Turn your work to the left, find your 2 chain space, 3 double crochet, the 3, 2, 1 again, 3, 2 chain, 1 single crochet. Now, I made the mistake of putting my hook into that gap. It's in this gap. So 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. You're going to have 3, 2, 1 going around in your head as you work this until it becomes in your muscle memory, and you won't have to even think about what you're doing. We often repeat 3 double crochet in granny squares, so you might find that it's very easy to remember. Now when you get to the end of the row, you'll think you haven't finished because you're going to have this scalloped edge sticking out a little bit. Don't worry, that sorts itself out. That's the beauty of this stitch, is it makes a really lovely scalloped edge. So here we have our emerging pattern, our tulip stitch pattern. Now, I can't say it looks much like a tulip, but this is what this stitch is called, and so we'll keep calling it the tulip stitch. So this is the reverse side. You can see it's very similar to the right side of the work. Let's go back and have a look at this larger sample. So you have the scallops up the side and a scallop along the top as well. Now I would encourage you, when you've finished your work, to push down on these little bits here so that this isn't a straight chain, that you try to make this, and you might use an iron to make this a scalloped edge as well. That corner tends to turn in, so you might just need to ease that out and give that a little press so that you get scallops on all 4 sides. You see what I've done with my fingers. I haven't even used an iron. So do not press acrylic yarn directly. Make sure you hover your iron over the top until it's warm. Use a bit of steam and then encourage the stitches to form into that scallop. So there we go. Now I think this is a useful 1 row repeat pattern to learn. So I would add the tulip stitch to your dictionary of stitches. Make yourself a little sample, put a label on it. I think this is a really lovely stitch. It would make a gorgeous baby blanket and very, very quick to work up. It gives the impression a little bit of the pixel stitch, but I think this is actually easier to do because it's backwards and forwards, whereas the pixel stitch you're working corner to corner, and this is much easier to do. So have a good day, take care, press subscribe and the bell for notifications of upcoming videos, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye.